welcome to Toyland. Today we're going to be opening the pullalong wooden iggle piggle. We have been waiting for this for a very long time. And over here we have the pullalong Macapaka, and the pullalong Upsy Daisy. And we're going to finish off the pullalong in a night garden collection with iggle piggle. Let's have a look at the back. Oh look! There's iggle piggle. He's fun, chunky and bright. And we got wooden pullalong iggle piggle. This traditional wooden pullalong toy is perfect for little hands. Collect iggle piggle, Upsy Daisy and Macapaka for fun active play. With bright colours and chunky styling. And at the end of this video, we are going to be having a race between the pullalong in the nightgown figures. Let's open it up. And here's, as you can see, this is the red string. Kind of looks like it's his red blanket. I'm gonna have to open it up from the back, just like so. And here you go. And here we go. And here we have iggle piggle. And iggle piggle will come out by cutting these little white strings at the bottom. So we're going to cut these strings and we're going to open them up. Just cutted the strings. Now iggle piggle will come out. We have to pull him hard. There we go. And iggle piggle has some strings on his wheels, so we'll have to take that off. Just like so. It's very easy. There we go. So, we have opened up our iggle piggle now. Let's move all this out of the way then. So, here we got our brand new iggle piggle. Hooray! Here's its wooden hair. Very beautiful. And his red string. Looks kind of like his red blanket. And his wheels just looks like his feet. And here's all the pullalong in a nightgown set. We got Macapaka, orange string. Upsy Daisy has the yellow string. And iggle piggle. Let's do a race to the laminate floor. Let's go. Let everyone head to the laminate floor, quick. Iggle piggle goes first. Up the Upsy Daisy. Let's go and see. They've arrived to the laminate floor. They're going to do a race. And the laminate floor is a bit messy, I'm afraid. But okay, we're going to push them and see who goes farthest. Let's do it. Macapaka first. Oh, he fell over. And then Upsy Daisy. She went the same as Macapaka. Then iggle piggle. Oh, iggle piggle! You helped your friend Upsy Daisy. So that means Upsy Daisy is the winner. Thank you for coming to Toyland. If you haven't subscribed already, please do. Thank you and goodbye.